I'd like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 10 for grade 2 mathematics. We are learning about long division, guys, and in the last class we practiced about division by a single digit without regrouping. We completed 2 questions of the book, which was on page number 70, and we did some questions in the notebook. So first, a quick revision from 2 to 3 questions of long division without regrouping. Then today we have to start a long division with regrouping also. So this is the question number 1 first, 80 divided by 4, which is on page number 70. So you know that to complete the long division, there are certain steps you need to follow. 80 divided by 4, 80 is inside, 4 is outside. The first step is to divide each digit one by one. So there are 2 digits in 80. First you will divide 8 by 4 and then you will divide 0 by 4. So 8 by 4 is equals to 2. So you write 2 out. 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. How do you know? 4, because 4 into 2 will give you 8. So you write 2 here. The next step is to multiply this 2 by 4. 2 4s are 8 and write it down. Then find their differences. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now you finish division with this 8. Now you will put this 0 down and you will divide this 0 by 4. So 0 divided by 4, any number 0, if you divide by any number, the answer will be 0, because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. Now multiply 4 by 0. This is also 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 20. 80 divided by 4 is 20. The next was 482 divided by 2. 482 divided by 2. So this was like, you check the table of 2. First you will divide 4, then you will divide 8, and then you will divide 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, because 2 2s are 4. Now multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 minus 4 0. Put this 8 down. 8 divided by 2, 4, because 2 4s are 8. Multiply this 2 by 4, 8. Right below 8, minus, subtract it, and then 0. Now you finish division with 4 also, with 8 also. So drop this 2 down, divide this 2 with 2. So 2 1s are 2, that's why 2 divided by 2 is 2. Then 2 minus 2 is 1, and 0. So your answer here is 241. This is how you solved question number B. Let's check some questions which we completed in the notebook. In notebook, we completed 48 divided by 2 is equals to 24, 96 by 3 is equals to 32, 84 divided by 4 equals to 21, 846 divided by 2 equals to 423. So I will take only one question here for revision. This is 963. This is 963. And you have to divide it by 3. So again, you will divide all digits one by one. First, you will divide 9 by 3. So 9 by 3 is 3, because 3 3s are 9. Multiply this 3 with 3. 3 3s are 9. So you will write 9 exactly below to the 9. Then the next step is to subtract. 9 minus 9, 0. You finish division with 9. Now you will divide 6. 6 divided by 3 equals to 2, because 3 2s are 6. Multiply this 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6, and minus. 6 minus 6, 0. You finish division with 6 also. Drop this 3 down now. 3 divided by 3 equals to 1, because 3 1s are 3. Multiply this 3 by 1. And 3 1s are 3, minus 0. So this 0 is reminder, and 321 is your answer. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Guys, chat is open. If you did not understand anything in long division without regrouping, you can ask me right now before we start a division with regrouping. If any one of you have doubts regarding long division without regrouping, so you can send a message in the chat box. I can clear your doubts. I can open your mic. I can take your question and we will discuss about that. So no one, no messages, that's mean no one. No questions?
No, sir. No. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, that's fine then. Come to the page number 71. Page number 70, no 71, it is 70. Come to page number 70, guys. We are going to learn division with regrouping. The heading is dividing by single digit number. It should be with regrouping because without regrouping we have already finished. Okay, so dividing by a single digit number with regrouping. I'm reading, put 7 flowers into groups of 2. Put 7 flowers into groups of 2. That means you have to divide 7 in group of 2. So 1, 2, you make one group. 1, 2, you make another group. 1, 2, you make another group. But you can see there is one flower left. So you cannot make group of 2 for that flower. So when you divide 7 by 2, so you actually have 3 groups of 2 flowers with one flower left. So you cannot make more than 3 groups of 2 flowers with 7 flowers. Now, let's do it with the help of long division. Just to make you understand, I will do it with long division. This is division sign. 7 inside, 2 outside. I want to divide 7 flowers in groups of 2. So the division steps are same, guys. You have to divide 7 by 2. So check the table of 2. How many times 2 is 7? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. No 7. There is no 7. That's why 1 is left, because 7 doesn't come in table of 2. So guys, in that situations where you cannot find exact number in division, so you will go for almost. You will go for the number which is almost. So 7 divided by 2 means, check the number. Either it should be a 7 or it should be almost 7. Check the table of 2. To a number 2 multiplied by what will give you 7 or almost 7. So 2 by 3 equals to 6 and 2 by 4 equals to 8. There are 2 numbers which is almost 7 or which are near to 7. These are 2 by 3 equals to 6 and 2 by 4 equals to 8. Guys, you have to consider always the number which is less than your required number. You are dividing 7, so you cannot go for the number which is more than 7. So you always go for the number which is almost near also and which is less than also your required number. So you cannot go for 2 multiplied by 4 because it is more than 7. So you have to go with 2 multiplied by 3. You have to go with 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So 7 divided by 2 equals to 3. If you divide 7 flowers in groups of 2, so there will be 3 groups. There will be 3 groups. You can see the example here. There will be 3 groups. Now, what is the next step? The next step is to multiply this 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. And write exactly below to the 7. Then what is the next step in the division? The next step is to minus 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So this one is your reminder. This one is your reminder. When you divide 7 flowers into groups of 2, so there will be total 3 groups. There will be total 3 groups. And 1 flower will be left, will be without group. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. 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 Yes, sir.
Very good. I repeat for you guys. You were dividing 7 by 2. Write 7 inside, 2 outside. Check table of 2 whether 7 comes. If 7 comes or not. So you check 7 doesn't come in table of 2. In that case, you will go to the number which is almost 7, which is near to 7 and which is less than 7 also. Almost 7, there can be a number which is bigger than 7 also. But you will consider always a number which is near to your required amount and which is less than your required number. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6 is the number which is 6 is the number which is near to 7 and which is less than 7. So how many times? 3 times. So 2 3s are 6. That's why 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Multiply this 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6. Minus, what is the difference? How many are left after grouping of 2? 1 flower is left after grouping of 2. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
Good. So this is the example, guys. You can see here there are 3 groups of 2 and 1 is remainder. That means 1 is left. On page number 71, you can see when you divide 7 by 2, so you get 3 quotient. Quotient means you have 3 groups. 3 is your answer. And after making 3 groups, 1 flower is left. So it is your reminder. It is your reminder. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. I'm going to read it further. Now, we are going to have one more example. If you are dividing 43 by 3, then what will happen? If you are dividing 43 by 3, let's divide it, guys. This is 43 and this is 3. Don't need to worry about anything at all, guys. This is 43. The division steps are same. The division steps are same. What is the first step? That you have to divide one number at a time. You have to divide one by one. So first you are going to divide this 4. This 4 you are going to divide by 3. So it will be 4 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3, you will check table of 3. In table of 3, 4 comes. Yes, guys. In table of 3, 4 comes.
1.
No, I am asking in table of 3, 4 comes. Yes or no?
No. No.
No.
No. No.
Very good. 4 doesn't come in the table of 3. If you check table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, no 4. So if there is no 4, so you will go for the number which is almost near to 3 or less than 4 also. So that is only one number which is 3 ones are 3. So 4 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Because you cannot go for 2, 3 twos are 6, it is bigger. So 3 ones are 3. 4 divided by 3 equals to 1. Now you will multiply this 3 by 1. 3 ones are 3 and write down to 4. The next step is to multiply and write it below to the number. Then subtract. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So 4 divided by 3 is equals to 1, remainder are 1. Now you finish division with 4. Now you have to divide 3. So this one you cannot divide alone. This one you cannot divide alone by 3. Why? Because 1 is less than 3. 1 is less than 3. So you need a bigger number. You need a number equals to 3 or bigger than 3, greater than 3. So that's why what you will do, guys, you will regroup this 3 with this 1. 410 minus 310 equals to 110. Drop this 3 down. With 110, now there are 3 ones. 110 and 3 1, it becomes 13. So now you have to divide 13 by 3. Now you have to divide 13 by 3. So you will check table of 3. 3 will multiply by what number will give you 13 or almost 13. So check table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 2 times 6. 3 3 times 9. 3 4 times 12 and 3 5 times 15. So 3 4 times is 12 and 3 5 times are 15. So these are the number which are near to 13, but you cannot take a number which is more than 13. So you will go for the number which is less than 13, 12. 3 into what will give you 12? 4. That's why you will write here 4. 13 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Now multiply this 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. Then minus 13 minus 12 equals to 1. So 13 divided by 3 is equals to 14. Remainder 1. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I repeat for you guys how it is solved. Look, this was 43 divided by 3. You know, in the division you have to divide 1 by 1. First you will divide 4, then you will divide 3. 4 divided by 3 equals to 1. Why? Because in table of 3 there is no 4, and less than 4 is 3, and 3 come 1 times. So 3 ones are 3. That's why 4 divided by 3 equals to 1. Now multiply this 3 with 1. 3 ones are 3 right here. Subtract. Out of 4, when you take out 3, so only one number is left. This is 1. 1 cannot be divided alone because it is less than 3. That's why this 3 you will drop down. With 110, 3 ones. So it is 13. Now you have to divide 13 with 3. You have to divide 13 with 3. So 13 divided by 3, again you will check table of 3. 3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12 and 3 5 15. So there is no 13 in table of 3. That's mean you have to go to the number which is near to 13. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. There are 2 numbers. But the number should be less than 13 also. So 15 you cannot take. So the only number which is left, that is 12. And 3 4s are 12. So you can make group of 3 in 12. So 13 divided by 3 is 4. Multiply this 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. Subtract and you will get 1. So answer is 14 and 1 is remainder. When you divide 43 chocolates into 3 groups, so there will be 14 groups. There will be 14 groups of 3. 14 children will take 3 chocolates. But after that, 1 chocolate will be left. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Guys, now I'm going to take one more example to make you understand. Let's suppose I take example here, which is 96 divided by 2. I ask you to divide 96 balls into 2 groups. There are 96 balls. I ask you to divide equally, to share equally into 2 groups. So how you can do it? Draw division sign, long division sign, 96. In the long division sign, write 96 inside. You want to share into 2 equal groups, write 2 outside. You are dividing it by 2. You know the method. First I will do division of 9. First I will divide 9 by 2. Then after I will come to 6 and I will divide 6 by 2. So I am dividing right now 9 by 2. So in the table of 2, I will check 9. 9 divided by 2. So I can check table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So this is 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. There is no 9. There is no 9, so I will go for the number which is almost 9 or which is less than 9. This is 8. So 2 4s are 8. So I will write here 4. That means I can make 4 groups of 2 out of 9. Now multiply this 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8. Subtract. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. I finished division of 9 now. Okay. 1 cannot be divided by 2 because 1 is less than 2. So we will put this 6 down. This is 110. With 110, 6 ones. It becomes 16. Check in the table of 2 how many times 2 is giving you 16. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16. So 8 times 2 is equals to 16. So the answer is 2 8s are 16, write 16 minus it and 0. The answer is 48. 96 divided by 2 is equals to 48. That means 96 balls if you are sharing into 2 groups. So each group will have 48 balls. Okay. And if you guys, if you want to divide, if I can show you also 9 divided by 2, like 9 divided by 2 is 4, remainder 1. I can show you, look, if there are 9 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You want to divide into groups of 2. You want to divide into groups of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, you can make only 4 groups. You can make only 4 groups of 2. And there will be 1 ball left, which is that. Then with 6, 16. So this is how 9 by 2 equals to 4, remainder 1. That's why you go always for the number which is less than your required number. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So, if you have any doubt, if you did not understand anything in the question, you can ask me, guys. If anything you miss, anything you did not understand, you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'm repeating it again, guys. This question. First, you will divide 9 by 2. 9 divided by 2 equals to 4. because 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. 10 is bigger number, so you will go for 4. So that's why 9 divided by 2 is 4. Multiply this 2 with 4. 2 4s are 8, right below 9. Take out their difference. Out of 9, when you take out 8, so 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2 because it is smaller. You will put 6 down, regroup 1 with 6. 1 10 and 6 1s is 16 now. 16 can be divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equals to 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. So, no questions, guys?
yes,
Yes.
I'm asking if you have any doubt or if you don't understand anything, send a message in the chat box so that I can open your mic and I can make you understand. Okay, Hamza Suleiman, I'll come to you. Hamza is saying me. Yes, Hamza. Hamza Ahmad Suleiman.
yes, sir.
Yes. What is your doubt? What is your question?
Practice zone.
Hmm?
Practice zone.
Practice zone. Page number.
7.
Hmm.
18 divided 4 equal 20.
Hmm. Do you have any issue? Do you have any problem? Do you want to ask something?
Yes.
So ask me right now.
How?
Yes. Don't waste the
To make
time. Hamza, if you have question, then ask. Don't waste the time.
80 divided 4. 80 divided 4 equal
20.
He wants to tell you, sir, repeat 80 divided by 4, how to make it.
Okay, I repeat. Look, 80 divided by 4 equals to 20. You want to ask how? Right? This is very easy. We are studying addition with division with regrouping now. Look, the simple step, first divide 8 by 4, then divide 0 by 4. 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. In 8, how many 4s are there? Or 4 multiplied by what will give you 2? 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. That's why 8 divided by 4 is 2. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. The next step is to multiply. Multiply this 4 by 2 and write down the 8. So 4 2s are 8. Write down. 8 minus 8, 0. Next step is to subtract. Multiply, then subtract. Now, you finish division with 8. Now you have to divide 0. 0 divided by 4. If you divide 0 by any number, the answer will be 0. Because any number multiplied by 0 will give you 0. 4 multiplied by what will give you 0? Only 0. 4 multiplied by 0 can give you 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 divided by 4 is 0. Multiply 0 by 0, 0 by 4. It is 0. Then subtract. It will be also 0. So the answer is 20. 80 divided by 4 is 20. Clear? All right. Okay, guys. So if you are not asking question, that's mean you know very well. Then I'm going to give you a question. You have to try to solve it by yourself. Take a rough page, write the question in the rough page and solve it by yourself. This is 78 divided by 2. Take a rough page and solve it by yourself. What is the answer of 78 divided by 2? 78 divided by 2. 78 divided by 2. 78 will be inside. 78 will be inside. 2 will be outside. Okay, and you have to divide by 2. Chat is open. Once you solve, you have to send the message. Try to solve it, guys. 78 divided by 2. Take a rough page and solve it. Take a rough page and solve it. Guys, are you solving it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. 78 divided by 2. How you will do the division? This is very easy. First, you will divide 7 by 2. First, you will divide 7 by 2. 7 by 2 equals to what? You will write here. You will write here. Then you will multiply this with this. And you will write a number here. After multiplication, what number you get. Then you will subtract this number by this number. And there must be some reminder. With reminder, you will regroup this 8. And again, this whole number you will now divide by 8. In this way, you have to solve it. Amir, no. No one solved yet. This is very easy. 7 divided by 2 first. First divide 7 by 2. Abdul Rauf, very good. Abdul Rauf is the first one who answered me correctly. Anas Ahmad Kabil, very good. Sami Al-Hiji, no. I need complete answer. 39 divided by 2. Sorry, 78 divided by 2. Amir, very good. Amar Yasir, no. Azam Saleh, no. Abdullah Hisham, very good. Waiting for your answers, guys. Then I'll tell you how to solve it. Those students who have already answered me in the chat box, they will not speak. Okay, I'm going to open all of your mic, and I am asking to the students who are still writing, who are still solving. So those who have already answered, they don't need to speak. Guys, are you solving this? Are you solving the question?
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, you have to check that.
Okay, this the last minute you have to complete your solution, because then I'll explain how this question is solved. Azam Saleh, that's perfect. It is the correct answer. Very good. And now I will explain, guys, how this is done. So this is 78. You have to divide 78 by 2. So you will divide 7 first. 7 divided by 2 equals to what? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8. So there is no 7 in table of 2, but 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So 8 is more than 7. So you cannot go for 8. You will go for 6. So 2 multiplied by what will give you 6? 3. 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6. That's why 7 divided by 2 is 3. 7 divided by 2 is 3. You can make 3 groups of 2 in 7. Multiply this 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6. Then subtract from 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 3R1 is the answer of 7 divided by 2. Now you cannot divide 1 with 2 because 1 is smaller, 1 is less than 2. Put this 8 down. Put this 8 down with 110, 8 ones, it becomes 18. Now you have to divide 18 by 2. Now you have to divide 18 by 2. Again check the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. So 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. Multiply now this 2 with this 9. 2 nines are 18. Write 18. 18 minus 18, 0 reminder, and the answer is 39. 39. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, I can. Yes, sir.
I can't see anything.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I can't see anything.
See, I can and everything.
You can't see the screen?
Yes.
Wait, let me check. Check. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
Very good. You know, guys, sometimes when you start new tab, open any game or any other tab and leave the Zoom. So when you come back again, so you won't be able to see the screen. So while taking the class, don't leave the tab, don't leave the Zoom. Okay, don't leave the Zoom screen. So I repeat again, guys, this 78 divided by 2. First you will divide 7 by 2. 2 threes are 6. So 7 divided by 2 is 3. Now 2 threes are 6 right here. 7 minus 6, 1. From 7, when you take out 6, the answer is 1. So you finish division with 7. So with 1 you regroup 8, it becomes 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9 because 2 nines are 18. So 39 is your answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Guys, I am repeating again and again that division is very important topic, and long division is one of the important topic. So you have to keep practicing. If you have a good command on division, in long division, so it will not help you in only grade 2. It will help you in grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7. In all classes, it will help you because you will keep using this. Okay. So we will practice again, inshallah, in the next class. We will continue from here, and I'll ask you questions. We will practice for division with regrouping. Okay. So our class time is finished. Take care of yourself, guys. Inshallah. See you in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
See you next class.